Hi, it's Tim at Blackbox at the InfoComm 2024, and we're talking about our Emerald/Boxilla KVM system. In front of me, I'm looking at my 4K KVM system. It's based on a 10 gig network with my SFPs, and it runs off a display port. The next one up is my KVM SE product. It has the basic DVI out. These are based on transmitter, receiver, and a main Boxilla controller box that basically handles the entire operation. Then on the top, we're looking at my dual display port receiver that we can go to two different displays, and basically it's a one-to-one, or I can put it in a shared mode application where I can sit down, call up an on-screen display, and basically connect any computer to any computer. This is my Emerald product, and you can look at it at www.blackbox.com.